Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to another Clean and Decorate with me. Today I will be working on the master bedroom. I'll be doing a little bit in the master bathroom as well. I just want to show you a few things that I just recently picked up from the store, and I just got this wreath at Burlington Coat Factory and it was $19.99. I also found these really pretty signs at Burlington as well. And I love what they say on them. Grow old with me, the best is yet to be, and I never want to stop making memories with you. I thought these would look perfect right above my bed. And then I also got this oil diffuser, essential oil diffuser at Walmart, and it's glass, and I really liked that it was glass and not plastic. And I am loving it. It works perfectly in my room with all the whites and just the way I have things decorated. So let's just go ahead and get right into this video and start cleaning first, and I will be doing some decorating along the way as well.
But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside.
So the first thing that I'm going to do is just take all of the sheets off my bed and bring those downstairs. I will be washing all of my sheets today. I recently purchased a new quilt to throw on my bed, and I just heard the timer go off for that, so I'm going to put that in the dryer, and then I'm going to start the load of wash for my sheets. And the laundry detergent that I will be using today is the Gain Aroma Boost. This is in the Blissful Breeze scent. And then for the fabric softener, I'm going to be using the Romantic Downy Infusion scent. It's like a white tea and a peony scent, I believe. So once I have that going, I'm just going to head on back upstairs, and I'm going to start taking a few things off of this wall. I wanted to switch out what I had in this frame to something a little bit different, and I decided to go with these quotes that I found at Burlington. And then just for something a little extra, I'm going to add like a floral type arrangement right in the middle, and I'm going to show you how I make that in just a second.
She'll never know.
So if you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen that I purchased these florals at Walmart. Well, the one that sits right on the top with the white flowers, I can't remember where I purchased that. I purchased that a while ago, but the roses, the lavender, and the eucalyptus were all purchased at Walmart. And they were like, I think the lavender was like under $1, and then the roses and the eucalyptus stems, those were only $3 a piece. So I thought they were beautiful. They look real and they don't look fake, and I just thought they looked absolutely gorgeous. So I picked up quite a few of those, and this is what it looks like. And I just kind of bunched them together and then tied them with some jute string. And then for that wreath that I picked up at Burlington, I just wanted to hang it right here on my barn door that I have for my closet.
We will dance in the meadow on our favorite.
So now I'm just going to be putting a few things away that I have left out on the dresser and the 2 nightstands, and I will be wiping those down with the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, and this is in the rose scent.
Where are you now? I hope you're fine, but I won't lie, I still miss you so much. But I don't hold grudge. You have
So as you can see, this end table that sits right underneath my TV is full of dust and dog hair. Rocco's bed is actually to the right of this table, so when he shakes or whatever, his fur just flies everywhere. So I'm just going to quickly dust that off, and I will be using the Scott's Liquid Gold for that. And this is in the fresh almond scent. It smells really, really good, and you can also use this stuff on stainless steel appliances.
You're like a flower. You've always loved them. When winter comes, you
So I like to always add some type of floral arrangement on the side of my bed. I just think it makes everything look really soft and pretty, and I decided to go with the floral stems that I purchased at Walmart. I did have a couple pieces that I threw in here that I had already had from a previous arrangement, so I just thought I would add those as well. But I thought that they would all look really pretty in here, and I started with my greenery, and then I added the roses and then a few other floral stems, and then I thought I would tie some jute string to the neck of this vase to kind of tie in the look that I had above my bed with the floral arrangement with the jute string. So now I'm just going to vacuum in here, but first I have to pick up all of Rocco's toys that he has laying around and put them in this jute basket. I love these jute baskets that I have recently been using. I have one downstairs that I love, and I keep all of Rocco's toys in there. If you have a small child, these would look super cute with like their toys in there. You can also add like a larger plant and stick that in there, and I just think these look really pretty to any type of decor. And if you guys are interested in these baskets, I will go ahead and leave a link. This is not a sponsored video. The baskets were sent to me, but I truly love them, and if this is something that you are interested in, I will leave a link for you.
Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right.
So now that my bed is almost made, I want to show you the last thing that I'm going to place on my bed, and it is this beautiful quilt that I just recently picked up at Target. They do still have them, and I got this for 20% off. They were not on sale in store, but if you show the cashier the product online, they will honor the online price, and it was 20% off. And I think this is so pretty, and I love that it had the blues and the grays and a subtle hint of green in there, and they just go perfectly with these new pillow covers that I purchased. So I want to take a really quick second and tell you a little bit about these pillow covers that I recently purchased online, and they also sell amazing candles as well. But these pillow covers are absolutely gorgeous. The quality of the fabric is just amazing, and there's so many beautiful styles to choose from. And I promise you, if you purchase one of these pillow covers, you will not be disappointed. They are way different than the regular Amazon pillow covers that you might find. They are a little more pricey. I want to say mine were $19 a piece, but the quality is just absolutely beautiful, and you would not be disappointed, I promise you. So if you are interested, I will go ahead and leave a link for those as well.
In the beginning, it was like we were good.
So now that I have the master bedroom all clean, I'm going to head on into the bathroom, and I'm just going to put everything away that I have out, which is a ton of stuff. I have makeup and hair products, and I just have everything everywhere going on right now. So I'm just going to put everything back in its place, and then I'm just going to be cleaning the mirrors first, and for that I will be using the Method glass cleaner, and I believe this is in the mint scent.
Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow. Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow. It's sad to know, it's sad.
To clean my countertops in here, I will be using the same Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface cleaner in the rose scent. My countertops are sealed marble, so it is safe to use. If you are unsure, I would just go with a cleaner that is made for your type of stone. But I've been using this for months, and my countertops are perfectly fine. So I will be using that for the countertops, and then for the sinks and the bathtub, I will be using a Mr. Clean product, and it is called Clean Freak Deep Cleaning Mist, and it is in the lemon zest scent.
Like the first time when we began. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow. Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again.
So normally I do like to use a soft scrub cleanser when I clean out this bathtub, but I had just recently cleaned it out, so it didn't really need that much of a deep clean. So I just took this deep cleaning mist and just sprayed my whole bathtub down, and then I used the abrasive side of a sponge to just kind of get everything cleaned, and then I rinsed it out with really hot water.
I know you noticed the chaos around us. I feel so close to you. But if you really knew, all the lights are out.
So now I'm going to be cleaning out my shower, and I will be using the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner for that. I know it sounds really weird to use toilet bowl cleaner to clean out your shower, but I'm telling you, you guys, this stuff works so good on the glass doors. It is amazing, and I hardly even have to scrub at all. And I purchased this specifically just for my shower. I use something completely different in the bathroom, or the toilet area, I should say. But I love using this stuff. It cleans really well, and it leaves behind a really nice fresh scent, and it just makes cleaning the shower really easy.
I feel so close to you. But if you really knew. If you could be more, if you could be all that you adore, if you could be far away from here.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up. I have quite a few more of these videos coming out. I love decorating for spring, and I have so many ideas on what I wanted to do downstairs. So make sure that bell is turned on so you don't miss any videos. And I hope you guys all have an amazing day. See you in the next one. Bye.